Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, and I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Tazspin website. So it is basically a platform that will pay you based on your performance in the games and if you pay them to withdraw the money. So you can see the correct stats of the total number of players that are online, and it is actually changing, and which indicates a rare like of green signal that it is an authentic platform. But if we try to dive deeper and find out if what is actually behind this company, you will see like they claim that they have some partners, and the companies those which they partner with, and they have the official partners like Red Bull and other companies, major companies, which will actually invest with you on this platform. And some of the other bold claims, as you can see, like it is the best online crypto casino, all licensed to be operated, crypto and bank deposits, 24-hour sport. But if I try to dive deeper and look for any sport, I haven't unable to find any of the sport team or any of the address where I can contact with them. Apart from that, they have also made a bold claim that they have all the licensed agreements, and if I try to look for the license agreements in the bottom or footer, I was unable to find any of the licensed agreement on their website, which is also a major red flag. And they say that there are total registered player 51 millions, which is a major and a big number. But if we try to qualify this and we try to check for the authenticity, we were unable to find anything online about this. So in conclusion, I would say you should not invest money in this platform, because this is most probably a scam, because they actually will charge you money for withdrawing the amount, and it is actually very high. So in my opinion, this is not a legit platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. If you guys want me to review any other product or website, just do let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.